googly eyes, whoop scissors, square filters. What more could you want? Well, it's got a small block Ford, so I like it. So Bronco Factory B2. I'm a big fan of these little guys, but I think they're finally getting their love. They took the time and they kept it with this beautiful whoop scissors under here. They have solo dual swing set steering, but I'm pretty sure, and I might be wrong, this looks to be like a Dana 44 TTB, which is going to be a much wider axle. Otherwise, if it is a 30 or 35, it has been extended. You got these massive internal bypass piston IBP King coilovers. I'm going to say these are, I think they're about a 3.0 at least, with bump stops as well. So this is going to be a rig that really jimmies. I think what we really need to look at here is look at how short she is. She is just adorable, all right? We're talking about like a 90-inch wheelbase. It's like a Jeep. And in the rear, they still kept it leaf sprung. That looks to be like a 62-inch spring, like a Chevy style, or I'm sorry, 63-inch spring, like a Chevy style spring. And then they have another massive 3-inch body at least, King bypass shocks. Mike Cox and his relationship with King has always been great, and I know they got to have a sweet tune in these. Another thing I would like everybody to take a look at is the sheet metal work on that interior. That dash is spectacular. Hope we get to see a couple more of these boys, because I love OBS Generation Ford stuff with beams, baby. I can't get enough.